Hi, Regina here. I have my books in the background there, some home delivery. My second book is just released as well. It's Design Your Leadership Style. It's 20 years experience of my experience within business and also within the corporate world. So it's very interesting. We've had a family business, but I also have run my own business for many years and also worked within finance as a consultant for many years. So my insights during that part of my professional life is included into both my books. First one is called Structure is Key to Success. And I've learned that habits that you have, many habits you're not aware of, and habits that you do, your behavior can be blocking you from reaching your goals in life. Bad habits is habits that is preventing you from reaching your goals. Everyone has bad habits, so we don't need to feel bad or embarrassed for having bad habits, because everybody has them and it kind of sneaks up on us as well. So that's why it's very a good idea to journal things. If you have a journal, on the left side you can write good things, good habits, and on the right side you can write down bad habits that you have identified that you want to get rid of in your life, so you can find momentum again and reach your goals and in life. Some is not aware of or don't know what they want to achieve. It could be many choices, and that's why it's a really good idea to customize a plan. And some goals can be kind of a smaller goals along the way, on your way to your final destination or your bigger goals. So to really map out what you want to do, then you also will be able to identify what skills you need to get there, and also identify how you can get there and the fastest way, and what shortcuts you can make and what you need to avoid, pitfalls. That's very important. So I like the saying that you need to be know the map before you enter the woods. That's Brenda Burchard saying. I like that expression, to really get to know the map before you enter the woods. Very important. And often we kind of hesitate. We give up, and that is the main cause of why people don't reach their goals, is because they give up. So you definitely need a coach that kind of lights up the fire within you again, and to help you to find your motivation and not to give up, and just cast aside your dreams that you have. Because if you have the dreams, it's possible for you. I believe that. That's why you have those dreams, is because it's meant for you. So, but you need to have the structure, strategy, mindset, and also you need to take care of yourself. So that's why in leadership, self-leadership, and also leadership, if you will have a team, you will have a team. I think so, because I also help you. I have a business mentorship program. If you want to reach your goals and kind of support yourself, it will automatically become a business. So I also help you to avoid pitfalls within business. That's my business mentorship program, where I have combined everything. So, and then you will have a team if you have a business, right? Also, if you want to advance within your career faster within finance, you can also go my business mentorship program 1 year with me online, but also I have pre-recorded business educations, and also you will be welcome to Stockholm. I'm based in Stockholm, so you will be welcome here too in real life sessions as well. Conferences and other smaller events as well. Why do you need a coach? It's since you kind of need someone to pep talk you along the way. Otherwise you will most certainly give up, because it's impossible to do it all by yourself on your own. You need people that believe in you. You need people that encourage you, and most often it is the closest ones that kind of try to talk you out of it. So you need someone that understands your struggle and your persistence and why it is so important for you. Then you need a coach. So I have both pre-recorded coaching, or kind of the basics, and also one-on-one coaching online in real life, customized for you. So, and also both my books you can order through link in my bio or on my website to choose from the top menu. My books is only available in English, but I have coaching and other products in Swedish as well, since I'm based in Stockholm. Most of it is in English, since I want to attract an international market. Check out my website, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also Women the Biz on Instagram and TikTok. So hope to see you there. And sign up for immediate access to your success. See you there.